What's up, y'all? So in today's video, we're gonna be finding out, is the dinner shift worth it? It is Thursday, the time is 4 p.m. and I got my first order already, $9.11 for 3.9 miles right here at Buffalo Wild Wings. So we finna check in and get it done. Let's go. Okay, let's go. It was ready to go. Let's go. Order number one, got it done. $9.11 for 3.6 miles. Easy order. Buffalo Wild Wings, got that one done. Order number two, already, we know what to do. We finna run it up. I got Panera Bread, $6 for 1 mile, and I'm already here. We about to get this mug done. We only 20 minutes into the shift and we already running it up. We finna hit 25 for this hour. Let's go. You already know, I love it when they ready to go. The only thing I don't like about this order is it's a hand to me. We got $6 for 1 mile and they want me to hand it to them. What is wrong with these people? Let's go. Order number three, why is they playing with me, man? We got $6.50 and I don't even know how many miles, man. Do it! Man, the dang app glitching. I know it's $6.50, but I don't know how many miles. Well, you know what? I gotta keep the wheels rolling. So we accepted it. We gonna do it. Hopefully they didn't gank me. They is playing games, man, but I'm trying to make this money, man. I can't let them disrupt what I got going on. Y'all selling lemonade? Oh, not bad. Order number four, let's go. We got $6 right over here at Noodles & Company. Man, Doordash playing these games, man. The app is glitching. Everything is not looking right. I can't even see how many miles it is, but I gotta keep the wheels rolling. It's dinner time, I gotta get this money. Order number four, let's go. Let's go, this night is off to a great start. Order number five, we got $10.90 for 5.3 miles right here at Pizza Ranch. Perfect, man, so you know I'm finna go in here and scoop this up. Nice little Grubhub order coming through to bump that hourly rate up. We should be looking at over $20 an hour for this first hour. Let's get it. I hope every hour in the dinner shift goes like this. I don't know how many hours we're gonna work tonight, but we're gonna run it up. Let's get it. Let's go. Order number six. Please, Lord, don't let my night keep going like this, because look, I got $6.75, and I don't know how many miles it's going. The only thing that's saving me is Para. It's telling me the drive time, so I can kind of estimate how far it is and how many miles, but I mean, I'm riding blind here, man. I don't know what to do. Doordash gonna have to fix this, man, because it's killing me. But I gotta keep going. I can't not accept orders, so $6.75, that's what we got. For Kyler? Yes, sir. Thank you. No problem, you have a good day. Yeah, you too. Alrighty, we got order number 7 right here at Pancheros. I got $6.50. I do not know how many miles, but I'm using Par to kind of estimate. Par saying it's gonna be a 20-minute drive in total, so I'm hoping that it's only like 2 or 3 miles, but I don't know for sure. But we finna stack it with order number 8, so don't hate. Order number 8, we got Perkins right here coming in on Uber. We got $9 and something. I wasn't able to check fast enough, but they go in the same direction, so I'm stacking them. Order number 7 and order number 8, so please don't hate. Thank you. Have a good night. You too. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
You have a good evening. Thanks. Yes, sir. Just got my next order right here at Pad Thai. $8.75 is what it said. Don't know how many miles. Para said that it's gonna be 14 bucks, so you know I had to scoop that up. Let's get it done. Let's go. Order number 9. We making good time. I ain't even get a chance to get a screenshot on that one, but it was $8.75. 14 bucks is what we got. Let's go. And I got my next order already. Order number 10 for the win. $12.13, 3.7 miles at Qdoba. Let's go. We running it up. I ain't playing today. Just got my next order. Order number 11 right here at Gilberto's. This is the best order I've gotten all night. $9.50 for 3 miles, a little over 3 miles. I mean, you can't even beat that. I was heading back to the zone, but I said, hold on. I got to take this. I'm about to snatch this, and then I go back to the zone. Thank you. You have a good day. Let's go! Order number 11, right back at Gilberto's. Oh, this is all? Oh, thank you. You too. Yes, sir. So we at the end of the shift, we did $57.25 on DoorDash, $20.98 on Grubhub, and Uber Eats, finishing it off for $30.78 for a total of $109 point something. I don't know, I don't got my calculator, but that's good money. So we are at $109.01 for a total of 3.2 hours, which gives us an hourly rate of $34.06 per hour. Let's go, we running it up. So is the dinner shift worth it in my area, in my market, Sioux Falls, on a Thursday? I would say yes, because we worked for 3 hours, call it 3.5, but definitely less than 4, and we made $109 multi-apping all the way. You know how we do it. Always, always, always cherry pick. If you liking these type of videos, make sure to give me a like, make sure to give me a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.